1 minute is over. Now we move to the second contestant. Today, contestant number 2, Toastmaster Kumar Kirubakaran. The title of his speech, How to Become Creative. Toastmaster Kumar Kirubakaran.
A French businessman walks into a bank in Geneva, asks for $100 loan by offering his luxurious car as a guarantee. The bank manager immediately approves, as the guarantee is so good. After a year, the businessman comes back and repays the loan with $10 interest. The puzzled bank manager dares to ask him a question. Excuse me, can I ask you, did you really need that loan so badly? In order to get the loan, you left your luxurious car with us almost 1 year. The businessman replied, very simple. Think out of the box. Where else can I find such a good parking in Geneva just for $10? Good evening, fellow Toastmasters and distinguished guests. Creative thinking refers to the ability of solving problems in a new way, finding new methods. One of the famous concepts of creative thinking is combining unrelated ideas. Two things that have no connection can be combined to lead to a new discovery. Example, by combining mobile phone with camera, new generation of camera that act like a mobile camera has developed. Have you ever seen a child playing? A child can invent a new game by any object he finds. I am sure you used to do the same when you were a child. But if you think that you are not creative now, then something must have happened along your way. That's called routine. As a child, we all were creative. But infinitive instruction we received from our parents, restrictions that imposed on us, helped in diminish this creativity. Moreover, systematic job that requires you to do the same task daily reduce your creativity. Fixed timetable, do the same. Working in a closed area, desk job, reduce your creativity too. So all this restriction over the time transform into single-minded person. So no wonder why we are not as creative as we used to be. So today I am going to tell you the steps what we have to do in order to become creative. Number 1, change routine. Research has shown routine is a great creative killer. Change anything that you can change. Do the same thing in a different way. Try something different that you have never tried before. Example, my wife asked me, darling, in order to become creative, I need to try something different that I have never tried before. So what would you recommend? I told her, darling, why won't you try cooking instead of me daily? Second, dedicate free time for creative thinking. Even changing routine, you might not that creative. Because you are bound by rules. Really, if you want to become creative, dedicate free time where you are not bound by rules. Spend some time in open space. Pay visit to seaside once in a week. Visit to natural sites which can increase your creative. Third, get rid of fear of failure. Creative is all about try some wrong things until you come across the right thing. So if you have fear failure or fear taking risk, you will be stuck in your comfort zone. You never become creative. I'll tell you an idea how to remember your wife's birthday in a creative way. Just forget your wife's birthday once and see the results. You never forget lifelong. So my friends, to be different, don't be afraid. Try something radical now and then, whether in sports, love, business or education. Creative thinking enhances the quality of your life by helping explore the possibility in your life and your job. So the life belongs to the people who dream about creativity. Back to you.
Observe 1 minute silence, please, for judges to balance the mark.